welcome to Mathematics 10 video tutorial. In the previous video, we learned how to illustrate an arithmetic sequence and yung tinatawag na common difference. So this time, pag-aralan natin on how to find the end term of arithmetic sequence and kung paano gamitin yung kanyang formula. Okay? Ano ba yung concept na involved dito? So, we'll study about the formula for the end term of arithmetic sequence. So, yung formula is given as a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. Okay, wherein yung a sub n natin is the end term. Okay, so yung n naman is the term. So, kung pang ilan daw ba yung term na given na tinutukoy, yung a sub 1 is the first term and d is the common difference. So, hindi lang, yung formula na to ay hindi lang para sa n term. Sometimes kasi, missing sa isang problem yung first term. Sometimes naman, ang missing yung common difference. O kaya naman, pwedeng ang missing sa isang problem ay yung term. Okay, so pag-aralan natin kung paano gamitin yung formula na yan. Let us have some examples. Number 1, so find the 22nd term of the arithmetic sequence 12, 15, 18, 21. So given yan, arithmetic sequence na infinite. Ang given natin, yung first term is equal to 21. Okay, so ang d naman ay equal to 3. So nakukuha yon by subtracting the consecutive terms. So example, yung 15 minus 12 is 3. Tapos yung 18 naman minus 15 is also 3. Yung 21 minus 18 is also 3. And also, given din yung ating n, which is 22. So, pinapahanap sa atin ay yung a sub 22 or yung 22nd term. Okay, so let us solve for this using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. So, makukuha natin yung a sub 2, a sub 22, just substitute the given values. A sub 22 now is equal to 12, yan yung ating a sub 1, plus yung common difference natin is 3 times the quantity of 22 minus 1. Okay, so simplify natin, subtract muna natin yung 1 sa 22, so 12 plus 3 times 21. Then multiply the 3 and 21. We have a sub 22 equals 12 plus 63. Add na lang natin para makuha natin yung a sub 22 or the 22nd term of the given sequence. Okay, so ganun lang yun. Okay, so sana nakakasunod tayo. Example number 2, what term of the arithmetic sequence 25, 30, 35 yung 200? Okay, so dito sa problem na to, ang tinatanong naman kung anong term daw yung 200 sa sequence na given. So, isulat natin ang given. Ang first term natin, or a sub 1 is equal to 25. Ang common difference ng bawat term ay 5. So, ang a sub n natin, or yung n term, ay 200. So, ang hinahanap dito, yung n. Okay, kung pang ilan daw yung 200 sa sequence na yan. So, solution, solve for this. So, from the same formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. Given yung a sub n natin, 200. Tapos, yung ating a sub 1 ay 25. Plus the common difference, which is 5, times the quantity of n minus 1. So, makikita nyo dun sa equation natin, ang n na lang yung nawawala. Okay, so, just solve for this. So, 200 minus 25. So, transpose lang natin yung 25 to the left side of the equation. And then, equal siya sa 5 times the quantity of n minus 1. So, dun sa left side, 200 minus 25, magiging 175 na siya. Tapos, equal siya sa 5 times the quantity of n minus 1. Pagpalitin lang natin yung sides ng equation symmetrically. So, magiging quantity of n minus 1 times 5 equals to 175. So, para mawala yung 5 sa left side ng equation, divide natin both side ng 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 na. Matitira na lang sa kanya. Sa left side is n minus 1. And dun sa right side naman, 175 divided by 5 is 35. Ayan. So, okay. So, transpose lang natin yung negative 1 na nasa kaliwa to the right side of the equation. We have now n equals to 35 plus 1. Okay. So, and finally, we have n now is equal to 36. So, yung 200 daw ay pang 36 term ng sequence na 25, 30, 35. Okay, so sana nasundan natin itong example number 2. Number 3, the 30th term of an arithmetic sequence is 65 and the common difference is 2. What is the first term? Okay, ang given natin dito is a sub 30 or yung n term natin is equal to 65. Next is the common difference given din sa problem equals to 2 at yung n natin is 30. Okay, so ang pinapahanap sa atin ngayon ay yung first term. Okay, so yung example number 1 pinahanap sa atin n term. Sa example number 2 naman, ang pinahanap sa atin yung n or yung term. Ngayon naman, yung first term. Okay, so let us solve for this. Using the same formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. Given yung a sub n natin, or a sub 30 siya, as 65. Equals to a sub 1, yan yung hinahanap, plus the common difference na 2 times quantity of 30 minus 1. So, isubtract lang natin yung 1 sa 30. We have 65 equals a sub 1 plus 2 times 29. Then, multiply mo yung 29 sa 2, magiging 58 siya. So, equation natin ngayon ay 65 equals to a sub 1 plus 58. Transpose natin yung 58 sa left side ng equation, magiging minus siya. So, 65 minus 58 equals to a sub 1. Subtract natin siya, yung 58 sa 65, magiging 7 equals to a sub 1. Symmetrically, we have a1 now is equal to 7. Okay, so, sana nasundan natin yung example number 3. O, ang hinanap natin dyan, yung first term. Ginamit natin yung same formula. Let's go now to example number 4. Number 4, the ninth term of an arithmetic sequence is 46. If the first term is 14, let us find the common difference. Okay, let us write down the given. A sub 9 is equal to 46. So, yan yung 9th term natin. So, n is equal to 9. And then, ang a sub 1 naman natin ay 14. Okay, so we are required here to find the common difference, d. Okay, so let us solve for this. We will be using the same formula kasi specified naman na ang problem natin is an arithmetic sequence. So, we can use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. Na kung makikita nyo dun sa ating mga given na common difference lang yung wala dyan. So, yung a sub n natin is 46. A sub 1 is 14 plus the common difference and then quantity of 9 minus 1. So, subtract lang natin muna yung 1 sa 9. So, we have 46 equals to 14 plus 8d. Okay, so minultiply na natin yung 8 na difference ng 9 minus 1 sa d. Okay, kaya naging 8d. Okay, transpose natin yung 46 to the left side. We have 46 minus 14 equals to 8d. Subtract natin siya. 32 is equal to 8d. So, now let us divide both sides using the multiplication property of equality by 8. So, 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. And then, yung 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So, d na lang ang matitira. So, 4 is equal to d. And finally, symmetrically, we can say that d is equal to 4. Okay, so ganun lang, maghanap ng common difference using the formula for the nth term ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, so that ends my video tutorial about the nth term of arithmetic sequence. So sana may natutunan tayo. Ang next video natin or next video tutorial natin is about arithmetic means. And then, susunod naman yung arithmetic series. Okay, so thanks be to God. Thank you to all of you.